Currently in our area, 28 degrees with heavy snow. A winter storm warning and a winter weather advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, snow heavy at times, snowfall rates of an inch or more per hour, low 22. Winds northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, 6 to 10 inches of snow expected. On Monday, occasional snow showers, high 30. Winds northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of snow 60%. Snow accumulations less than 1 inch. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And Monday night, windy, snow showers ending early, low 18. Winds northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour. Chance of snow 40%. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. Our extended forecast.